Hello guys, this is Vikram. Today in our 1 minute tips series, we are going to explore background command. Let's get started. Background command will allow you to select a single solid background. You can specify 2 or 3 color gradient background, use an image file for the background, or even set sun and sky background. I will show you how to use an image file for the background. Let's pick this image. Change the view style to anything apart from 2D wireframe. When you zoom in and out or pan around the drawing, the image stays still. It's very useful at some scenarios. Let me use a different image. This time let me pick this one. If you want to adjust the image position, type background in the command box and click on adjust image, and using the lever you can reposition the image. As you can see, I have a fixed watermark at the bottom right corner using the background command. That's it guys. Thanks for the day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Till our next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.